still going.
Because today is Sunday and someone is doing our cabinet. How can we go?
Next time.
Yeah, next time, baby. Tell me when you're ready, okay? So that we're
I
done.
want to wait for Daddy.
Daddy is para bago matapos
But with my hand.
Kuya Siki.
I don't like.
Lagi mo na kasi daddy niya. Sabihin mo habang kumakain.
Daddy, mag-CR ba si Daddy? Mag-CR daw?
Tawag dyan. Sugar. Carla, paabot nga ako ng alcohol.
Di ba kayo langol? Ipahid mo sa ano?
Of course not. Why will I do that? What's the safe word?
Bunny.
Okay, tell me when.
Bunny?
Tell me when you're ready.
Ba't natanong?
Tell me when you're ready.
Mamaya na. Mamaya ito nga.
Well, I haven't done anything yet.
This is Buboy.
Bawang mo
Say
yung
hi.
Hawag mo.
Tipin mo. Huwag mo yung kakainin. Huwag mo yung kakainin. And this is Blue Blue.
Ito na nga eh.
You can call her. You can call her Blue.
Ito ang kumukuha ng pera.
Hindi, ang point ko is hawakan mo na ito para pag-watch ko ganun.
Dito nga muna ako. Yung isa nakapasok yan.
Nakinig ka na yan kay Mami. Lalo ang malalaktan dyan. Blue Blue. You can call her Blue.
Ready when you are.
Angat mo yung ano.
Almost. Okay? I'm here na.
Very good, mami. Very good.
I'm here na. Oh, wait. I cannot. Hindi ko pwedeng tanggalin ng mabilis kasi nakapasok yan. I know.
I can't stop saying. I can harap dito.
I know. I understand.
I'm proud of you.
I know.
Daddy, bakit? Zyron, or this one? This is Zyron. My teeth or this one?
This one. Tumigil ka po.
Tigil. Ba't tigil? That's why I'm saying, Bunny, nakakain ko yung buhok ko.
Don't make daddy laugh. You're making daddy laugh.
Chili! So mga tulo ko na naman din na.
Totoo naman eh. Mama.
Ano na nga natin yung dila mo? So nagkakakarap sa'yo?
Bajon!
Ah, Sara.
Oo, kawa na yung sayo na
Bakit doon?
Ha?
Bakit? Bago matulog, galing na to.
Dapat.
Matatanggal ko siya, pero...
Tatanggalin mo ba?
Tanggalin!
I mean, maluluwagan. Maluluwagan mo siya.
Hindi ba man?
Napakaingay, guys.
Maluwag na.
Na, alam mo na kailangan kong matanggal para mas mabilis mag-heal.
Ngayon! You said pag magaling na! You said it's a promise!
Ba't kayo sumilip-silip?
My phone! I said it's my phone!
Why are you shouting? It wasn't her fault. Hindi naman alam na magaganyan.
Oh, it's okay.
Stop!
Hold my hand. Oh, go. Let's go. Para matapos na. Luluwagan lang ng konti.
Mommy, you promise. You promise you will not take it
Wait lang,
off.
wait lang, wait lang.
Hindi natin yung Jacob. Ba't mo ito, Jacob?
Sabi ni Mommy, bye.
Luluwagan mo lang. Luluwagan mo lang. Tapos. Para guminawa yung pakiramdam mo.
Blue.
Gagaling yun pag maluwag. Kaya don't do that again ha, Celia. Okay? Luluwagan lang namin ni Mami.
Sino lang yung magaganyon?
Ako lang. Ako ang nakakaalam.
Mommy, don't touch it like that.
Ba't mo kasi nagpitan ng ganyan? Hindi mo alam na ganyan magaganyan.
Hindi niya alam.
Okay, sige. It's okay.
Blue out.
That's why I thought this was an accident. Because I didn't know it was going to happen.
Tanggalin mo lang. Ay, luwagan mo ng gusto.
What tinitanggal?
Hindi tatanggalin, luluwagan ng gusto.
Kanina niyo pa sinasabi tanggal.
Hindi.